Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruth and today we'll be talking about the one and only application that's everywhere. Everyone is talking about it. Guess which application is that? It's called Clubhouse, and this application it is very interesting on its own. So that's why I was like, okay, it's better for me to talk about this application, because most people, I met some people and they're like, they don't know about this app, and me, I'm like, how are you are you still living? I don't know about this application everyone is talking about. For me, it's just this application changed everything towards the end of 2020 and beginning of 2021. So let me just go straight to the application and talk about everything. So I'm going to show how you can use the navigate through the application and everything now. So let's go into that one. When you open the application, it's like this. Firstly, let's start from this place. Yeah, now I have 5 invites, but firstly, when you register the into the application first, you have 3 or 2 invites. I'm not so sure. I think 2. Yes, 2 invites, and you have to invite someone on your contact list. Look at my contact list. I don't know, maybe these people, they are using iPhone, so I'm not so sure. I only give to people around me that I know they will be able to use the invite very well. And something about Clubhouse is, I think if the person you give the invite to is not going to download the application or use the application, it's just wasted, nothing. So now currently I have 5 invites. If I want to invite someone, I'll click invite, and yeah, the person will see it as a message. And these are the people I have on my contact list, so that's why it's showing their names. So that's it basically for the invite. So let's go to the next one. The second one is upcoming events. Yes, so today, for example, we have, let's talk about education. And yeah, so if I just want to set a reminder, I'll tap on this bell, and tap on this bell, and it will take me, it will notify me when the event is happening. So that's it. Then there is a bell here that's like activity. It shows that the people I followed, they have like something going on, event going on. So if I want to join the event, I will just click and enter in. For example, let's enter this one. Yeah, let's see. So this one is for 7:30. So now there's an arrow here, and it's for the bell. Like when the event is happening, I can enter and just go for it. Then this one is my bio. Yeah, you use your name, and just you have anything for to update your bio. You have a lot. I don't know, some people used to write like long long bio. So for me, it's just very simple, and that's all. And you can link your Instagram and your Twitter to this application, just those 2. But really, I would love if we can be able to add YouTube. Yeah, it would be so cool. Everyone can just go through that medium to just click and go to your YouTube direct, and it's really good. Yeah, so it will show down here that the person who nominated you, like nominated by Kem OJ. Kem is my cousin. Shout out to Kem. So if you want to join any group, I'm in like 4 groups. Yeah, you see, yeah, you just click and they will accept you inside the group. Whenever they're having an event, you'll be able to enter inside the group like that. That's it. And you can only put 1 picture, the profile picture, that's all. And yeah, nothing much. Yeah, these are the thing, like you followed the group, something. This one is follow for follow. If you want to gain more followers, you will click and go in. For example, let's go in. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Yeah, so basically this people talking. So, yeah. So this one, the thing for music. And also on my YouTube, I need new followers. Let's leave this one. Okay, let's talk about this one. This one they're talking about, should Lagos state government never open the Lekki toll gate again? So the people with the green,
You should go next. Yeah.
the people with the green something icon or something, they are the moderators. So they'll be the only one to be able to let people inside on the stage to talk about to contribute or something like that, anything. So if I'm following one of the speakers, I will be down here, then others in the room, people that just joined randomly. And if you want to go to the stage, like the upper part, you have to click raise hand, and that's all. And this plus, I think, is to ping someone inside the room, and that's all. Yeah, you see hand raising was turned off by the moderators. Yeah, that's it. They don't want anyone to do that, so that's it. Nothing much. And if you want to leave quietly, and just press leave quietly, that's all. And I think if you want to start a room, if you want to start your own room, you click start room, and you open, or you can start any room under this thing, anyone you see available here, and you press let go. So I never tried to start any room on my own, so I don't know how it is. So that's it. It's basically very easy, nothing much. You just scroll to see. If you see any topic that's very interesting, you feel you want to join, you just go in, and that's it. Nothing much. That's all. So Clubhouse is an application that is invite only. That is, if you don't have invitation, you can't access the application. So through the invite, you have to have someone on your contact list before you can invite that person. So if you don't have the person's contact, you can't even invite the person. They have to be saved on your contact. So that's gone. And it's only for iOS devices only. It's not for everyone. Like, it's not available for Android. So it's only for iPhone users. So that's it. It was created, I think, around early March 2020, the beginning of COVID-19. So from the beginning of COVID-19 till now, they have about, I don't know, 9,000 users on the application. I'm not so sure, but the last time I checked, yeah, that's it. What is the application used for? Very, very interesting. People, when you tell people about this application, they're like, how is it? I just tell people it's podcast, and people don't know how you can use it. So there is no picture or videos, and just only your profile picture that will be showing on the screen. And it's like you're listening to another person's conversation, or we have 10 people in this room now, and everyone is talking one by one. You can't see the face of the person talking, just the profile picture. And that's when they are done, they'll mute their mic, another person will talk, and that's all. If you just entered the room, you can raise up your hand, and if you want to say something, raise up your hand, and they will allow you to talk. That's it. I was in a group, and someone was able to get a job easily. Yeah, you can meet investors that are ready to invest in your business. Basically, that's it. There's one group, I mean, they talk about they speak in Yoruba. Yoruba is one of the languages in Nigeria, so it's very, very interesting for me. People talking about different things. It's just, I don't know, amazing. Lastly, then not too long, I think was it yesterday, and that's even the reason why I said I must film video about this application. Elon Musk, or what, I don't know, is it babe, what is it? Elon Musk? Musk, okay. Elon Musk, yeah, basically he joined one of this thing online, and everywhere was just going boom. Everyone was eager to join. I think some people even stream this thing online, but I think you can't really do much, because I don't know, they said they are trying to protect everyone's privacy. So the conversation will basically end inside the application. Nothing is permanent. You can't save, you can't do anything. So yeah, that's it. Basically, the application is really good. Now I have 5 invites. I don't know if anyone wants to join. Anyone wants to join this application, and you have iPhone, so basically you can just comment down, subscribe, and I'll see what I can do, and you can drop your phone number also. If I will rate it over 10, this application it's 9.5, and it's because they should be able to provide this application for Android users also. So the 2 disadvantages of this application is trolls, and it's not available for Android users. So that's it. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. So that is the end, and hope to see you next time.